Hi everyone. In this lesson, we will learn how to use upper string method at Python. For example, channel name equal by text sphere. We need to change all characters to uppercase. So print just type channel dot upper, print at first the original, print channel name and our name is, we actually need to add if print yes original name and name after it changed to uppercase. Let's have real example. For example, if we have countries like dictionary countries Palestine, the shortcut name Palestine and code, country code is plus 970. Duplicate this more times. For example, Egypt as a EG shortcut, Egypt and plus 20. SA Saudi Arabia and 966 for country code. What about to retrieve the object of Palestine? For example, print BS is countries. This is dictionary. So we actually, if we need to access this value, we should access this value using key. In our case is BS run. Yes, it retrieves Palestine object just like that. What about to retrieve Egypt? For example, EG run again. Yes, if we need to retrieve EG but just like that, EG, yes, it retrieves error, EG key not found. Actually, because EG is a lowercase, so we will solve this issue using our method. For example, retrieve this country equal input enter country code print get country, for example, country of countries of country shortcut. It gives from the user print get country, for example, run expected values BS, EG, or SE in uppercase. Let's try SE, uppercase. Yes, it works with no errors. Run again. SE, small. It retrieves the error, key error. That's because SE in lowercase not exist. Actually, it exists in uppercase. So to solve this issue, just type dot upper. To make sure all values comes from the user, it converted to uppercase. Yes, run again. SE in uppercase, it works. Run again. SE in a small case, it works as well. Run again. SE small lowercase e at uppercase, actually it works. Run. SE in uppercase and E in a small case, run again, actually it works. Let's have another example. For example, just comment this. If we have list contain the registered plates, registered plates just like that. First one, ABC 1 to 3, XYZ 4, 5, 6, and the last one is LMN 7, 8, 9. Get the user input, user plate input, enter your plate, print user plate in register the plate, so or not. Run. For example, EBC 1 to 3 false, which means not exist. Run again. EBC 1 to 3 true, which means exist. So print exist if user plate in register splits, else print not found. Run again. EBC in lowercase 1 to 3 false, not found. So actually, to solve this issue, just type upper, which means convert all characters comes from the user to uppercase. Run again. EBC 1 to 3 in uppercase, yes, true and exists. That's because this string converted to uppercase. To make sure, print user plate is user plate. Run again. For example, X, Y, Z 4, 5, 6. Yes, converted to uppercase, true and exist. If you have any problems, just let me know. Otherwise, keep going. Thank you.